Okay guys, as you can see, it actually generating our cash and coins, and it works perfectly guys. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got unlimited cash and coins for 9 ball pool, absolutely free, safe online, without downloading any mod or anything. Imagine guys, it's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search 9 ball pool and you will find the online tool. Click there and now we'll have to enter our ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me show you. So open the game, click on profile up here and then you will find your user ID. Make sure to copy. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID is successfully connected. The next step is to select our cash and coin amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to stay updated with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and more websites right now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, now we have a few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not a robot. Perfect. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have the description of what you have to do. So I will download Domino Dreams and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's wait together and let's see. Okay guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and cash are important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work. So let's see guys. Okay guys, as you can see, it actually generating our cash and coins and it works perfectly guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. As you saw, AppLoop is an amazing website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.